So this is a cross stitch. The first step is I have serged or marrowed this edge and I have turned it up. I am going to, the thing about the cross stitch is that unlike normal stitches which move for a right-handed person right to left, the cross stitch moves left to right. If you're a left-handed person, it is of course flipped. But I'm going to start my stitch by putting my knot in the serger side, and then I'm going to travel little ways and do a tiny little pick on the side of the face fabric, and then I'm going to travel an equidistant amount over and take another stitch under the serging, and then again traveling an equidistant amount, taking a pick out of the face fabric, and on. You can see that the nice kind of cross stitch X shape is coming out. Again, a little pick, and again, a larger stitch on the serging side. And you can see on the face of the fabric, there are only teeny tiny little picks